Hi, I'm Will from Keystone RV Company. I'm District Sales Manager for Sprinter, which is Keystone's very first brand. It all started here 23 years ago, and since that time we've been focused on camping made easy, truly unique, innovative floor plans. And I'm here today to show you one of those, the 330 KBS. The 330, some of the features include twin RV fridges, double entries to the exterior, both with secure stance, more ride steps, a king-size bed, double vanities, and a stackable washer-dryer prep. Hope you enjoy. Well, I'm seated here at our counter height bar, which is featured in a number of our models and is just another example of how Sprinter is doing things differently. I hope you enjoyed this model, and if you'd like to learn a little bit more, please visit KeystoneRV.com for 360 views, videos, photos, specs, and to find your nearest dealer. Thanks for watching.